Damn. All this little shit she be doing to me. Nigga don't miss like the 2 and the 3. Send her right out cause she plotting on me. Talk too much shit, she be tapping on me. Black is on black when we ride through the streets. I got some niggas who don't miss from 3. How did we get to the point that we be? None of this shit making no sense to me. Get a new poison, my diamonds on wet. Checking the diamond, she like the Rolex. I just get icy, I got the baguettes. I told my mama I'm doing my best. All of this work that I smoke, got no stress. I'm pulling up with the S on my chest. Stop for the cops up, I don't need a vest. Draco is here, man, who would've guessed? I hit her phone, she all alone. Bought me some pet, know I got zone. We sit and grind, flip me a O. Time after time, we on a roll. Probably show up, we up the road. Trust me, my nigga, this what I know. She ain't too real, she on the go. Play with me now, so I got goals. We don't give a fuck, yeah, nigga, we gon' grind. I ain't listen to the haters, nigga, this is mine. Riding round, smoking vapor, do this all the time. Still just a young nigga, ain't hit my prime. All this little shit she be doing to me. Nigga don't miss like the 2 and the 3. Send her right out cause she plotting on me. Talk too much shit, she be tapping on me. Black is on black when we ride through the streets. I got some niggas who don't miss from 3. How did we get to the point that we be? None of this shit making no sense to me. All this little shit she be doing to me. Nigga don't miss like the 2 and the 3. Send her right out cause she plotting on me. Talk too much shit, she be tapping on me. Black is on black when we ride through the streets. I got some niggas who don't miss from 3. How did we get to the point that we be? None of this shit making no sense to me. How did we get to the point that we be? None of this shit making no sense to me.
Don't believe everything you be hearing, my nigga. Word.
Damn, kitty, this that way.
I got some homies that's really not here. I wish them niggas had never died. I went to funerals, never cried. You swing on niggas, you don't never slide.
Cross, niggas real life weirdos. Free my niggas off the tier though. I got really rich a year ago. Still spot a hater like here we go.
I got some homies that's really not here. I wish them niggas had never died. I went to funerals, never cried. You swing on niggas, you don't never slide.
Cross, niggas real life weirdos. Free my niggas off the tier though. I got really rich a year ago. Still spot a hater like here we go.
These niggas been hating a minute. I gotta pray cause I'm sinning. You look like you ain't been paid in a minute. Y'all niggas ain't never outside. The whip that you drive is basically rented. Depend on the cops, but when they go down, the police can't say you my nigga. It was just me and Drain on my nigga. We played the crib with no cable, my nigga. 240s on me, that's 8 on my nigga. Silence it with a potato, my nigga. Gambling, I'm out in Vegas with hitters. We started out little, we making it big. Like Edie, I mean I'm an outlaw. Machiavelli, you ever try play with me, nigga? She fucking if she tryna stay with me, nigga. Only way. Get here in Atlanta, might wake up in Grady, my nigga. Just do me a favor, don't ask for no favors, my nigga. I told all my niggas I make it, my nigga. I spin through the hood, now they play me like Jigga. Nigga. We was the ones that they tossed out of school. Get out. Check this out. Now these diamonds water like I walked out the pool. Splash. Nothing indirect. I ain't talking to your man, I'm talking to you. I feel like a shark in the pool. No drive-by, nigga woke up and boom. I got some homies that's really not here. I wish them niggas had never died. I went to funerals, never cried. You swing on niggas, you don't never slide.
Cross, niggas real life weirdos. Free my niggas off the tier though. I got really rich a year ago. Still spot a hater like here we go.
I got some homies that's really not here. I wish them niggas had never died. I went to funerals, never cried. You swing on niggas, you don't never slide.
Cross, niggas real life weirdos. Free my niggas off the tier though. I got really rich a year ago. Still spot a hater like
why younger bitches left me for a trick in the pen. She told me she loved me but really just wanted to do her little thing in the end. She won but I won't let her trick me again. R.I.P. Nipsey, he told me to double up. But give me a second, let's double back. I sent my white bitch to go get that trick again. But she in the pen, daddy double back. Off that white nigga alone did a half a ticket. Foot on their neck, fuck a half a pimp. I'm from the north, they like how he do it. Real niggas like he just had it in him. We ain't got time for no back and forth. We on the jet going back and forth. Bitch, I see a nigga tryna be like me. He'll be lucky to match the score. I put my jeweler all on his feet. Buying these gold chains is 03. That's why my credit line is so deep. I ain't gotta drop to pick up my piece. Bitch, boy, I got my eyes on your mama. I ain't tryna fuck around with your niece. I'm tryna fuck around with good business. I ain't tryna fuck around with no freak. Or ain't tryna fuck some with no feet. Bitch, go fuck him and pay me. You can ask Skeet, be a luck seat. I ain't had to choose the game, it chose me. Bitch, go fuck him and pay me. You can ask Skeet, be a luck seat. I ain't had to choose the game, it chose me.
I got some homies that's really not here. I wish them niggas had never died. I went to funerals. funerals never cried. You swing on niggas, you don't never slide.
Cross, niggas real life weirdos. Free my niggas off the tier though. I got really rich a year ago. Still spot a hater like here we go.
Check. What the fuck? Yo, why is it so smoky in here, man? Yo, Snoop, are you blowing smoke in here?
Ain't no smoke in here. Everything is clear in here.
Yo, I can't even breathe in here.
Just spit them lyrics, Slim. You tripping.
Yeah. It's been a minute. This probably should have happened a while ago. Fuck it. We're here now, though. Let's go. Yeah. Man, what the fuck? Yo, Snoop. Oh, yo, let me see them bugs. I can't even. Man, that shit's the size of my hand, dog. That's just gonna make me really fuck. That's how I know that I'm in the studio with the doggy in California, cause my homie from Long Beach always got that bomb weed. That's why I feel a calm breeze every time I palm trees. Get it? Just like that blonde bleach. I went platinum, then so did my albums. Calvin's turning me into a zombie, cause these buds are like the Hulk, they're twice the size that his zombie. And that is some strong green. Gotta contact my contact lenses are foggy. I might end up in Walgreens pharmacy with my honesty gone off lean mixed with drama. Mean I will treat Paula Dean like a fucking human pinball machine, bouncing balls off her tonsils. If y'all are seeking the smoke, I got all the weed. I am a walking motherfucking marijuana leaf, and I'm here to stay. My reign so definite, my longevity needs a hearing aid. Still wearing Hanes t-shirts, I embodied some features with legendary names. Was there when Dre turned the chronic to monetary gain. Cause dope is addictive, just like they call it marijuana. Cause like marriage, you wanna Mary Jane. It's like you and Spider-Man feel the very same. My adversaries came, but these little degenerates are my lineage. When it come to pockets, weren't many, if any, as skinny as mine, bitch. I was penniless, now I'm plenty rich, and the shit don't make any sense. I was in a motherfucking pinch, like a titty twist. Now I'm sitting as pretty as each penny is, while I'm pinning this in a lab on your guinea pigs. I ain't finna fool them in effect. Give me the simian when I pull the big guns out. That trigger, pull it until the motherfucking shit runs out. A bullet, somebody better call an ambulance. You will live, it'll be miraculous. I got more hits than a contract killer. Like caterpillars that don't got antennas. So the words I don't got no goddamn fillers. Westmore, you did not plan for this. From Detroit all the way to Los Angeles.
You reside in 213, let's see that guns blaze. Whether you reside or west side up to 313, let's see them guns blaze.
Make money moves like the Matrix. Make more amount motivation. Roll up more meditation. Watching the moves you make, you might wanna stick to the basics. Military mind stay locked in, cocked in. Make sure the mission is profitable. Ain't no mission impossible. One phone call and my monster to go. Dumb phones hop in the Mazda and go. Fuck that, y'all stay, nigga, I'm finna go. You think you slick, boy, this grip, you ain't ready to take it where I'm finna go. Mafia rules, you making a mockery. Me a monopoly, speak on my flow. My nigga, I'm mopping, slap on my flow. Now niggas is copying. Niggas be out with the wall for the stopping. Give me your task, I conquer it. This ain't the time for pondering. You niggas is slandering. This real shit niggas be honoring. You looking for followers and not watching my niggas that's following. Nigga, fuck them likes. I'm yelling like, what? My nigga, young problem. East up, nigga, Eminem woke the beast up. Let y'all ride now, nigga, want it back like a Lisa. Think it's the game, you gon' see some. Ain't no peace, you'll be missing a piece. Nigga pumped off, now sheets on the mom, all mad. Kids all sad, damn my bad. Send a few coins to the corner. Please make a sweep for him, nigga. I don't hop on tracks, I'll leap on him. In the field with the cleats on. Steve Jobs for the cannabis mine. In due time, niggas knew be mine. Sure ignore, go find him the minute sign. If you looking for the facts, I'm a nigga to find. Young niggas so crack in the middle of fine. In the face of this crimpin', Long Beach DC's is different. 4 men with the put on, still getting bread with the niggas I put on. Yeah, I put my hood on. Shit got cold, I put my hood on. Yeah. Marshall and Calvin, both from the gutters like public housing. Now we're performing for hundreds of thousands. Wearing no makeup, but we still be clowning, motherfucker.
You reside in 213, let's see that guns blaze. Whether you reside or west side up to 313, let's see them guns blaze.
My Detroit niggas first, everybody. My Long Beach niggas first, everybody. My Detroit niggas leave with a body. My Long Beach niggas shoot up the party.
This is not that stunt weed they give you on a movie set. This is that thing that killed John Wayne.
Yo, what the fuck?
Looking back, he was gifted a voice. Look inside, there existed a choice. What a gift to rejoice. And we lived through the noise, and we lived through the scars. Cut deep and we bleed from the heart. Cut deep, we retreat or depart. From the start, hit the spark. We embark on the march. A generation that would die for change. Dark clouds try to dry the rain. These dark clouds try to hide the pain behind the wall of flames. Until we fall, can't resolve the shame. Yeah, until we fall, can't resolve the shame. Look, but you won't find what you don't seek. And we are blind if we still speak. And we don't rhyme on the same beat. And we still climb if it's too steep. And there's still time for it's too deep. We ain't looking for the end, we refusing to begin. I'm so scared of what I find, I ain't looking from within. I'm so scared of what I find, I ain't looking through the sin. Terrified of the light, feel it growing dim. In this life, either sink or swim. Hit the brink, looking deep within. We looking deep within. That all the fears that we can't defend. Without a hand to land, and we regret how we bear to spin. Yeah. The rest of the time overthinking, a recipe for overdrinking. And we wonder why we're sinking. Hit the deep end. Understand when we're leaning on the edge of breaking. New beginnings. Always take a moment to arrive. Keep the faith, know the moment will provide everything you need inside. We sow the seed of life and watch it grow with the flow till the dream revives. Yeah, just let it breathe. Go. Walking in for the second season. Take a pick, better guess the reason, and you best believe him. Yeah. When you test the legion, testify for treason if they ever ask. Looking lost, but I found the path. Break the watch before the time collapses, and then we fading back. Till we fading back to mediocrity. And some believe it's how it ought to be. Is this shit democracy or is it sovereignty? I guess I gotta see. I'm reading Socrates to try to find the answers. Yeah, it was a different time, so take a pass on grammar. Pass the lantern, but the call unanswered. Try to raise the standard, not for glitz and glamour. Yeah. Now I really wanna take that route. Now I really wanna face my doubts. Forever in the dark. We've been here from the start, but there's journeys to depart. The rest of the time overthinking, a recipe for overdrinking. And we wonder why we're sinking. Hit the deep end. Understand when we're leaning on the edge of breaking. New beginnings. Always take a moment to arrive. Keep the faith, know the moment will provide everything you need inside. We sow the seed of life and watch it grow with the flow till the dream revives. Yeah, just let it breathe until the dream revives. Take a breath. That's all we got left. Watch the clouds shift and shape. It's everything that we became. It's been a crazy couple years. I'm ready for the waves. I'm ready for the sunshine on my face. There's no time to waste. This my sweet escape. I'm running for the sun. I'm running cause I can. I'm running cause I'm young. What have we become? I don't wanna know. I was frozen in the Colorado snow. There's not a lot to show. Baby, that's alright. It's time to let it go. 28 years of the fight before the flower finally grows. But it's a beautiful sight. Together, let's run through the night. This is the time of our life. I'm doing it right. It's nothing I cannot describe, but it's so sweet when you find it inside. This is our time. This is our time. This is my moment. They told me that I never owned it. Now the sun is golden. Yeah. They told me I'm the one that's chosen. I don't like that notion. Try to cross the ocean just to find emotion that was stolen from my grasp. And they said we never last. They said we won't run out of lines, I ran out of time. Yeah. They said we could jump from the sky, I'm no longer high. No longer high. And if I could fly, I show 'em why. It's been a crazy couple days, that's to say the least. My passion stalled in the middle of the street. How can I proceed? What is there to seek when everything is gained? Feeling incomplete, but how can I complain? This is everything I've ever wanted, now I got a lot to lose. I've been shooting like